This is a game called Erasing Race. The object of this game is to be the first person to fill up your entire game board with as many arrays as you can. Remember, an array is a multiplication problem shown through rows and columns. Okay, so I just boxed in an array as an example. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So that is the same thing as 5 times 5, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so if I add those up, 5, 10, 15, 20, my answer is 25. So for this game, I have to roll dice to figure out how big my arrays are going to be. And my partner and I are going to take turns. So I'll begin by rolling my dice. The red die is going to tell me how many rows I need, and the white tells me how many columns. So since I rolled a red 5, I'm going to highlight 5 rows and 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make sure I have the right array. So I'm going to count my rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I'm going to count my columns and make sure I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my first array. Now my partner is going to do the same thing on their game board, and we're going to race to see who can fill up their board the fastest. Inside your box, you need to make sure to write the addition sentence, the repeated addition sentence like I did at the beginning. So this one would be 5 plus 5, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. It was 5 times. So I have 5 6s. So now on my next turn, I'll do the same thing. So I have 4 rows and 3 columns this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3. And again, I'm going to double check. I'm going to make sure I have 4 rows and 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now my lines that I created here are to make sure I have enough rows. Once I'm finished making my array, I can erase those lines and fill it up with my addition sentence. So here I've got 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3.